30 मेंबर एएसआई की टीम है ये, और जो सर्वे की टीम है वो फिलहाल इस वक्त ज्ञानवापी के अंदर पहुंच चुकी है। इसके बाद क्या होगा, सबसे पहले जो सर्वे की टीम है वो डस्टिंग का काम करेंगी। क्यों डस्टिंग का काम करेंगी? क्योंकि खुद जो एएसआई के अधिकारी इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में थे, उन्होंने कोर्ट को ये जानकारी दी थी कि सबसे पहले वो डस्टिंग का काम करते हैं। डस्टिंग के बाद फोटो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन और फिर जीपीआर के जरिए ये पता लगाया जाएगा कि कितने साल पुरानी है ये ज्ञानवापी परिसर, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से हिंदू पक्षकार लगातार कहते आए हैं कि औरंगजेब के समय में मंदिर के ऊपर मस्जिद बनाया गया, तो ये कितने साल पुरानी है ये उसकी इमारतें, दीवारें, इस बारे में पता लगाना। सबसे पहले तो तस्वीरें देखिए यहाँ पर किस तरीके से ये आउटर लेयर है, ज्ञानवापी जाने वाले रास्ते का ये आउटर लेयर है, और उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस के जवान यहाँ पर तैनात है। इसके बाद पैरामिलिट्री फोर्सेस के जवान होंगे और वहाँ पर फिर पीएससी के जवान भी होंगे, और उसके आखिरी में कमांडो फोर्सेस को तैनात किया गया, क्योंकि मैटर बहुत सेंसिटिव है।
The four ladies will attend the survey, and one member has gone inside. The one lady has gone inside. It is very important. Earlier, we have seen when the survey was conducted for more than 5 hours, the team was there, and you can see. I will show you the visuals, because yesterday Allahabad High Court has given the green signal for the archaeological survey team to conduct the survey, and we are on the ground zero. You can see the tight security here. And the survey has begun. More than 30 members are there, and the Gyanvapi mosque is basically adjacent to Kashi Vishwanath temple, which is just 100 meters away from this. And today is a very important day, because we have to see what results will come. The results from the archaeological survey team these results will prove that there was temple, and the temple was dismissed by Mughal leader Aurangzeb in the 17th century. So there are various questions, and we have seen in the Allahabad High Court judgment, because if we see the detailed judgment of the Allahabad High Court, they have rejected the Muslim plea, and the Hindu side is saying that this is a victory for us. But today, because the Supreme Court of India will listen to the plea of the Muslim side, and we have seen that the Hindu side, they were saying that the Supreme Court of India should listen to their side also. Earlier we have seen when the Muslim side have gone to the Supreme Court of India, they have said that you have to go to the High Court. And yesterday's High Court decision, because we have seen various reactions from the political side also, but the UP government had made it very clear that this is not a political matter. This matter is in the court, and I will show you the ground report, because we are here since morning. We have also covered the yesterday's Allahabad High Court's judgment, because where we are standing, this is a very busy way. One cannot stand here, but due to tight security, due to multiple layers of security, we are able to report here, but even the media is not allowed. We have to wait for some time, so that the details regarding the survey, modern techniques are used, as we have seen, and the ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, has given the affidavit to the court that they will not damage the structure, which is a basic concern from the Muslim side. And now you can see the security arrangement. This is the ground report we are giving you from Varanasi. We have to wait for some time to get the information regarding the survey, that what they have received, because the survey has just started half hour before, but the members, the higher officials, the district administration, the police officials, all teams are working together, so that the situation didn't get worsened. The situation is under control right now.